Hey crafters, welcome into Guys Craft 2. My name is John and I appreciate you giving me just a portion of your day. Means a lot and I hope you are enjoying my Jenny's Countdown to Christmas 2025. So we are on day 12. I'm trying to figure out if this month is going so fast. Do you realize that we are right at the halfway point to Christmas? So guys, how did we get here? It's just crazy. But without further ado, let's drop in, let's open, and let's see what Jenny and her team brought us for day 12. So interesting. So it is what I'm going to consider, she calls it a sewing tool organizer. And you can tell about number one, I think Jenny and the team are very thoughtful, and I think they have a lot of insight to the quilting world, right? So, I mean, they provide a lot of things that we as quilters use, that we ask for, that we need. So, it's nice that they help fit that niche for us. It's also very telling, right, of the success of Missouri Star Quilt by the fact that so many of their things are um, private labeled, right? So again, the Missouri Star Quilt logo on here, the zipper tag that is the Missouri Star Quilt logo again. And then on here it says store your scissors, rotary cutter, seam ripper, wood clapper, notions, and more. So interesting enough, if you've been a subscriber to Missouri Star Quilt over the last few years, you've probably received things like this. I a couple of years ago in one of their boxes, they actually provided a hard case box, again, in their colors and that was about this size. I actually like this better because it's soft, and so it's just a little bit different for me. Interesting, right? So it's meant to hold your scissors, rotary cutter, maybe seam ripper in that here. And then this one is actually just a big pocket that you can put things in. And yet there's a third one. And see that picture, and that's for your rotary cutters. So I think this is really, really a cool gift. I like it much better than the one they gave us a couple of years ago. That was the hard case box, because that's what I tried to do with it, was put my scissors, rotary cutter, and all that in. And so when I travel, go to Quilt Club, do workshops and that, I have that with me. But this is a little bit more organized. It separates my rotary cutters, my scissors, and that. And I like this setup much, much better. So again, like I said, this has been, I think, one of the best boxes the Missouri Star Quilt has put out. I appreciate the forethought and things that have gone into this box, and I appreciate this gift. I think this will be very, very good to use. So, with that said, I appreciate you dropping in. I appreciate you spending just a piece of your day with me. I hope you are having an amazing week. And, guys, as always, until next time, happy crafting.